you see the puppy? Where is he? There he is. Hey, it's a beautiful day. Today I am going from Huaya and visiting a bunch of pueblos in what they call the Ruta de Flores, which is a beautiful route of many things to see. So, we're off. Well, I hate to break it to you, but the plan for today didn't exactly pan out. I did not make it through the Ruta de Flores. And instead, I ended up on a pretty unexpected adventure, which ended with one of my least desired events. Here we go. Hey, puppy. Now, we're headed out of Huaya. Not sure if that's exactly how you say it. Towards, I guess, the furthest town. I also forget how to say that, so I'll just write it. And there are some geysers right outside that town, and it seems pretty cool. And I gotta tell you, I really love this area. It seems chock full of beautiful things to explore. And the air here is so brisk and so fresh. Got views to the mountains. I really like this road. It's just really nice. Look. Oh man. I'm having so much fun already. There's a volcano right there covered by some clouds. Ooh, this is a lookout. But wow. Oh, okay, turns into... Uh-oh, gotta look into this. All right, I'm just taking a little walk to see the path a little bit. I do know that right now we're kind of on the side of a cerro from my topography map that it's going to ascend a lot. It also says on the maps that this is a paved road. The tricky thing is you never know how it's going to get. So far, this is all super bien. I find this one of the hardest things about my motorcycle travels is making these types of decisions. And so, I don't know. Oh, what is this? Look, there's like little berries growing. Oh, wow. Oh, it's like a little tiny berry farm. Look, just in this area, they're growing these berries. Oh, what is this? Coffee? This could totally be coffee. I think it starts as like a little red berry type of thing, and then they process it. So cool. And I know, well, this area, they make a lot of coffee. So here's some other dudes. Maybe they were trying to do the same thing. Turns out they are a really sweet family, and we got to chatting. ¿Dónde? ¿En la moto o en la? Aquí. This family not only stole my heart, but they came in clutch and recommended I do not go down that road as it gets very bad, and they wouldn't even do it in their truck. Sí. Es mi nombre de todo.
¿Cómo es su nombre?
Mi nombre es Tamara. Sí, Tamara. O Tami, en Estados Unidos se dice Tami. Tami. O Tamara. Tami.
Buscar en YouTube.
Sí.
Hay mucho gusto. Despacio.
Sí. Me encanta esta calle.
¿La deja la moto en algún lugar?
2 veces cada año. Ese es mi sobrina, ella es mi mejor amiga.
Ay,
Ok, mucho gusto para todo. Oh my goodness, what an incredible family. I love them so much. And I feel so good about my decision. He said soon it like ascends a lot, and there's like a lot of rots, a lot of big rots. And he even said you won't be able to do it on that motorcycle. So, you know, when a local says you can't make it on the motorcycle, that means you really don't want to go on that track. One thing I say is I feel as though I always do get the right information at just the right time. The plan is still the plan to go visit a bunch of these little towns that are all really nice and explore, and then come back to the town where I am staying, which is having a fiesta. Well, that road certainly could have been the unexpected adventure of the day. But little did I know, I had many more surprises ahead. God, they're like reverse speed bumps. It's really strange. What goes down? Oop. This is it's called Rutas de Flores, is this whole route that stops by all these little pueblas.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, cannot hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl.
Hola.
¿De dónde viene?
Yo soy de Nueva York.
¿De dónde viene la moto?
Sí.
¿Cuándo salió?
Oh, mucho tiempo. No puede pasar, ¿no?
Sí, no vas a poder pasar, solo que...
Oh.
No, ese es el sticker.
Sí, es mío. ¿Y eres una? Ah, qué bonito, sí.
Gracias. Voy a quedar en el baúl.
Ah, bueno. Gracias. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien.
Es posible pasar, ¿no?
Aquí es imposible, aquí posible. Para los azules, yes.
Pero ¿cómo es el calle? ¿Está feo?
No feo. No.
Ok.
Mucho español.
Yo no, poquito. Pero gracias.
Sí. Te voy a abrir ahí para...
Ok, perfecto, gracias. Gracias. I was psyched there was a way around the construction and the road wasn't so bad. However, soon I would become more and more confused as it became less and less obvious which turn to take. Thankfully, once again, in just the right timing, someone showed up. Por los Ozoles.
Salida a los azules.
Sí, voy solamente esta calle principal está
cerrada. Está un poquito extraviado.
Oh,
Extraviado.
¿qué es eso?
Por un lado, por otro, por otro.
Oh.
Si gusta nos sigue entonces.
Ok, gracias. Oh my God, that is the nicest thing ever. This is so nice of them to leave me. Man. Disculpe. Gracias. Gracias.
Pero no a la calle, va, sino que
Pero está la bajada, la empinada, me imagino la que
sí, está
refiere.
una algo feíta, pero no está tan feo, pero sí.
Sí, allá sé con la callecita esa.
¿Qué piensas?
¿Por dónde nos vamos? ¿Toca qué?
Ok. Okay. Lack a little bit of that skill for getting out. Should not stop. Stopping is the worst. Oh shit. Oh my god. The fact that my feet don't touch the ground sometimes. It's like these little things of like getting going on rocks and tipping over. It's like, ugh, man. So silly. It's like once I get... Wow. Oh man, why so many turns? Okay, this turn is simple. I cannot stop. So nice of them to guide me. Car coming on this one-way track.
¿Qué carga esa moto tan pesada y
Es
tan
tan
ancha?
pesada.
¿A dónde va?
Ozuelos.
Absoles.
Osoles.
Absoles, ahí está la bajadita, ahí está.
Sí.
Absoles. ¿Y lleva usted más gente con usted?
Yo no.
Uy, señor, vaya allí, se regresa.
Ah.
Muy estrecho.
O sea, ellos me ayudan.
Hoy sí, hoy sí, hoy sí.
Pero
hoy
la calle está muy feo.
sí. Horrible. Esto no sirve.
Sí.
Voy. Va, nos vemos.
Ah, gracias. Well, ¿qué piensas? Está... Oh, okay, gracias. Wow, it is like so incredible that they're guiding me. ¿Vas para allá o ya? Oh. Okay, I think the camera, the battery's starting to go, so hopefully I can film the rest of this. I love that I thought this was going to be such an easy, cool day with just visiting some pueblos. My battery is low and it automatically shuts off the filming after like a few minutes. Okay, still, this part is very rocky, but it's okay. I think it's gonna get steep from what I heard the other local tell these guys. It's the only way to go. So let's see. I need a good amount of distance between them because they go a lot slower than I usually need to go. So, and I need to keep the momentum in order to keep... Oh, I managed to stay upright for that part. My battery is very low. Oh my goodness, pavement, made it. Muchas gracias, se aprecio mucho. Wow, gracias. That was so nice. Now, this is the road. Unless that cement dries really, really fast, I'm gonna need to go back that way. We'll see. Okay, let's just deal with the now. Let's go to this site. Well, the good news is I only dropped the bike once. So I think this is it. I think we're here. Don't know what. Okay, it says I'm arriving. Okay, I think it's up that way. Oh, I see the smoke. Oh my goodness. Los Ausoles. I guess it's up here. Oh, I see a big sign. Biopark Los Soles. This looks like some kind of parking up here. Nobody's here. Well, I see a person over there. I feel like he's here to tell me, nope, you can't go any further. Hola, ¿cómo estás? La parte turístico.
No funcionó, esa era supuestamente, pero no funciona.
No funcionaba.
No hay nada. Está una partecita donde se ve que, pero abajo de ahí.
Y puedo ver.
Sí.
Ok.
Ahí están los fumarolas que herven ahí.
Ok. Gracias. Okay, so I think I'll ride my bike down to that other part and just go and look. I think it's over here. Like, this is where I see the smoke. This seems like a gate. No, is there an opening? Nope, nope, nope. Oh, wow. Oh my God, there's steam coming off that water. Oh, I can smell it. Ooh. Look, this is all the geothermal infrastructure, I think. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Una pregunta. ¿Hay una parte para turístico?
A los Ausoles.
Sí.
Sí, se va. Hay dos túmulos.
Okay. Gracias. Okay, first of all, do you like my new headband? Okay, let's see if I can figure out where to go. ¿Y la camino está allá o en la calle?
Calle.
En la calle. Gracias. Oh my God, look at this. Can you see the steam? Wow. Woo. Huele. There it is. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenas. Es los suelos.
Los Ausoles.
Ausoles, sí.
$1 por persona. Ya le vamos a explicar.
Aquí va a caminar solita, vean, para allá. Ahí en el...
So the very sweet woman began to tell me about the hot springs. La agua.
vapor.
Ah,
Y el
el
agua
vapor.
también.
And she needed to explain where not to go. Oh, okay.
Sí, ahí anda.
Es peligroso. But the limits of my Spanish were hit when she began to describe the details of where not to step. So I asked for a little help. Hay una persona que puede como caminar conmigo. ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Josué.
Josué.
Sí.
Yo soy Tamara.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. And of course, going with Josué made it so much more interesting. Alimentos.
Sí, algunos elotes.
Ah, de elote. ¿Están? Sí. Wow.
No, el sabor no.
El sabor no infecta. Wow, qué interesante. Wow, es la segunda parte. Wow. Es la grandote, ¿eh?
Sí, ese es el que tiene agua.
Wow. Hirviendo.
Sí, hirviendo.
So the water there is, this one is the biggest one so far. Smoke is coming out of here. ¿Cuál es el temperatura de?
Máximo que ha llegado es 200.
Wow. Oh my God, I'm so glad I'm not here alone.
Ese río es de agua, agua a temperatura ambiente.
Pero es calor, es caliente.
No, agua.
Frío.
Normal, sí,
Normal.
sí, agua normal.
Wow.
¿Quiere bajar a tocar?
¿Sí?
Tocar
Es frío. Wow. Fresca. Está cerca.
Sí, está cerca el de agua que le enseñé. Echarse un baño.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Esta parte está privada de su familia.
Sí, es de mi abuela. Es patrimonio familiar.
Wow.
Vista
Wow.
panorámica de todo.
Qué bonito. ¿Y qué tamaño es? ¿Es de hasta allá?
Sí, es más para más arriba.
Wow. Aquí es la entrada y
Sí, ahí.
una propina.
No, no me preocupe.
No, así es. Está
Dice
mejor.
con gusto. Sí,
No,
me
gracias,
preocupe.
pero para mí.
Ah, bueno. Está bien.
Gracias.
Bueno, que le vaya
Bonito
bien.
día, gracias. Oh, that was enjoyable. What a sweet, sweet kid. That was really nice. I'm really glad I came here. Anything that is natural is really exciting to me. So, really cool to see the site. So wild. You'd think that all the water around would at least be warm. You'd think at least be a little bit warm, but no. It was like completely like a normal cold river. So interesting. So back to the bike and head back and we'll see how this goes. Gracias, amiga. Okay, here we go for the journey back. Gracias, adios. Gracias. All right, I guess we will see where these cars go. Maybe I'll follow this guy. Oh, even he's having a little trouble. Okay, I think I can do this. Oh man. Disculpe, la carretera. Derecha. Solamente derecha. Todo derecha. Ok, gracias. Oh. Shit, he told me go right. Can I go right here? I don't know. This part I remember from before. I go up and right, I know that. Thank God I somehow didn't go right there. Oh, Jesus. Okay, keep going. I'll figure it out. Woo! Okay, this is a really big steep hill. That's pretty dusty, so I'm just gonna maintain my speed. Up. Okay, I'm gonna make it right here. Hopefully nobody's coming. Okay. Whew. Right, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna make it right here. Whew. Okay. Oh my God, there's pavement here. What? Oh my God, I'm in shock. Was that it? Or is this gonna be blocked? Oh shit. Looks blocked. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo puede llegar por la carretera para la ciudad?
A poner el carro ahí dentro para él.
Ok, gracias. Es un poco complicado aquí. Muchas gracias. Very thankful for that. Okay, he told me to make a right here. So... Oh, it's completely a dead end. Now, I don't know. Let me ask her. Disculpe, ¿sabes cómo puede llegar a Huachapán?
Ah, aquí se tiene que ir para arriba, los buses, a Huachapán, y ahí agarran recto para allá.
Ok.
Los buses.
Él me dijo...
Conoce las calles.
Sí, no conoce nada. Ok. Okay, muchas gracias. Gracias. Okay, there's the guy that told me.
Su guía. La camioneta ahí para agarrar aquí, va para
Esta camioneta.
Sí, es de su guía.
Okay, muchas gracias. Gracias. Okay. Woohoo. Well, that's nice. Now I guess I have another guide. This big white bus. Okay, they're going left. Oh, thank you. He just reaffirmed to continue straight. If I didn't have anyone in front of me, I would just barrel up this hill, keep the momentum, because it's a lot easier than having to control my speed going up. This is honestly not too bad here. Man, I'm happy to be following these guys because I would be so lost. All this stuff is really not so bad. Normal off-roading. Part of what makes it hard on these roads is if you don't know where to go. So I see pavement. Hola. El centro. Allá? Okay. Muchas gracias. Okay. Sweatier than I planned on being today. Woo. And of course, it feels damn good. All right, what's my plan now? I think I'm just going to go to Ahuachapán. I think there's a church here that's pretty, and I'll just take a little lap around the centro, and then I'll go to the other Pueblo Mexicos. Lost a lot of time, but that was a nice, unexpected adventure. Voy por el centro. Okay. Oh my gosh, this guy is just so nice. It's like having a guide. I don't have to think about anything. This is so nice. This was the guy who was in front of me on the off-road. Oh, here's the center. Wow. Oh, it's pretty. Muchas gracias. ¿Cómo te llamas? José. Tamara. Sí, sí, sí.
¿Cómo parece?
Es aquí. Ajá. Reset. Ajá.
Lo voy a pegar ahí.
Gracias. Oh my God. Jose, if you see this later on, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I've arrived. Sometimes what I think will be an easy day turns out a little complicated. And I'm reminded that I never really know what's around the corner. But instead of fearing it, I choose to believe that everything on my path is perfectly placed for my benefit, including the last complication that is about to arrive. I don't know. I think I can't tell if the bike is driving weird or I'm just feeling extra weird on the bike. Let me just check my tires and stuff. Oh,